So making a game in 48 hours was fairly decent, not too hard. But making a game in 1 hour, a little bit more challenging. But how about we make a game in 10 minutes? Well, firstly, what the fuck? Alright, so let's start the timer and get started in Unity. Firstly, we need a player, so I just reused the player movement from Moonground since it take a bit too long to make a new one. And I'm also going to be getting rid of the jump sound since I probably don't think I would have enough time to do so. So, bada bing, bada boom. Let's just put like a diamond here and make some code. Alright, so we can walk into this enemy and the enemy dies. So now let's add a background, I guess. And here we are. So this game is even more shit than the last one, so if you wanna download it, go ahead. Also, I might make this game better in the future, so like and subscribe for that. You can download this game with the link in the description. It's shit. Anyways, here's a new segment I just needed to introduce for one video. So I need comments on this video for game ideas. Basically, I'm going to be making a game out of comments, and you add suggestions of what should be in the game. So please comment. Alright, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and bye.